CAT students, welcome to our third week in school. We hope everything is going well and that you're finally adjusted to your classes and schedules.
We are Ana Sofia and Fernando from Forza, and we will be your new Stuco party for this new school year. Thank you everyone who voted for us, and we will be with you throughout your journey this year. Now, onto the important announcements for this week.
First of all, we'd like to thank all of those who got the information about open house delivered to your parents on time. Homeroom teachers will be checking that your parents sign, and for every homeroom where all of the students got their signature, each house will receive one house point. You can still collect house points until tomorrow, so if you didn't get your parents to sign last night, get those signatures tonight.
For those of you going to and from the CVPA, remember that you have to take the outside walkway to get back to the main campus. Don't try to cut through the elementary gates or face the consequence. You have been warned.
Also, for those in middle school, whenever you head into lunch, please use the main doors to go into the cafeteria in an orderly fashion way and do not disrupt the elementary students that are in the way out. If there is any further incidents, middle school lunch will be cut short. So don't lose the privilege of having those few extra minutes just because you want to be first in line.
Now, let's go to sports with Arturo and Ana Cris.
The female basketball team will be holding a Tablita Raffle that will last until October 4th. Please support our basketball teams and let them go to the Asomex in Mexico City.
You can buy tickets with Marian Valdez, Paola Rodriguez, Luciana Estrada, Ana Paula Rosales, Valera Garay, and Mexli Reyes.
Thank you guys! Let's support our basketball team and buy tickets for the Tablita Raffle. Now onto a message from MUN.
Hey guys, we're from the Model United Nations Club and we want you to join. Model United Nations is a club where we discuss the controversial issues of the day.
And we also get to travel to different places to represent CAT.
Joining MUN will mean you will develop skills in
Public speaking
conflict resolution.
and writing.
So, if you're from 9th,
To 12th grade,
come to our first meeting this Thursday, September the 5th at 3 p.m. on room 203. Thank you.
Don't forget to participate in this year's CAT MUN. Also, remember that this Thursday and every Thursday of September, MUN will be hosting the Hot Dog Thursdays. So remember to bring your 35 pesos to buy a hot dog and support our clubs.
We now have a message from NHS about the Barritas sale.
Hey guys, we're from NHS. Just a reminder that we're gonna start selling barritas again in Monday. So be sure to know which teachers are selling for your grade. On IE, it's Miss Doe. On 7th grade, it's Miss Lasalle. 8th grade, it's Mr. Frank. And 9th grade is Miss Diana. For high school, we have in 10th grade, Miss Heather, Mr. McCovin for 11th grade, and Miss Head for 12th grade. Some basic rules. So remember to put your trash where it belongs, in the trash cans. Also, there is no selling of barritas between classes, just in recess, before or after school, or in between classes. Yeah, so make sure not to disrupt the teacher during class. And that's basically it. We'll see you on Monday. Thanks.
Thank you NHS for providing snacks for those long hours before lunch. Don't forget that you can only buy barritas during the breaks and that you can't eat the burritas during class. Also, please throw the wrappers in the trash. Let's keep our school clean.
That's all for this week's episode of CAThubTV. We hope you enjoyed this week. If you wish to have a message made during next week's episode, don't forget to send us an email to cathub@cat.mx. Once again, thank you to all of you who voted for us. Have a great week.
September, MUN will be hosting...
Thank you for all of us who voted for us.